And good afternoon. Just want to bring you up to speed. You can see by the map there we have winter storm warnings. We also have a winter weather advisory. One thing you'll notice is in our northern tier, we're talking Tioga, Bradford, Susquehanna counties, where there were the winter storm warnings. Now they have the winter weather advisories, and that's because the track of the storm. The storm is actually tracking more to the south, and that's why we're seeing those winter storm warnings being canceled places across our northern tier. And I want to take just a couple minutes out here to show you what the models are trending, and it's reflecting that more southerly track, meaning we're going to be looking at less snow here in northeastern and central Pennsylvania. Bullseye to me still appears to be the Poconos, talking about places like Carbon, Monroe, Pike County. That's where we could see the most snow out of this. The storm system is slowly working in our direction. There it is to the southwest. It's going to keep moving to the northeast, but again, it's on more of a southerly track. So we're seeing clouds from this storm system streaming out ahead of it, as you can see there on satellite and radar image. So we're going to continue to track it. Here's your timeline. This is what you need to know. If you're heading out Tuesday morning, be prepared for delays, cancellations as well. The storm arrives late tonight. It'll start in our southern tier after 8, 9 o'clock, and it'll start as rain, then changing over to snow. That snow will be heavy at times Tuesday morning. Now, this thing's going to be completely wrapped up by noon. It'll start wrapping up in central Pennsylvania mid-morning, and then by noontime over eastern PA. Poconos will see our highest totals. Now, the other thing I want to mention, and we're going to show you the snowfall totals in just a second, but I want to mention the winds, because we're not spending a lot of time. Everyone wants to know the numbers of snowfall, but we've got to talk about the winds because they're going to be over 40 miles an hour. That'll start later in the day tomorrow into tomorrow night and last into Wednesday as that storm system pulls away. And it's also going to drag down colder air just in time for the holidays. So a couple of things I want to show you. I mentioned this thing is trending more south, and it is. I'm going to show you a compilation of the models that we look at on a daily basis. Now, yesterday, this model was showing between 7 and 10 inches of snow for the GFS and the North American model. RPM and Euro have been consistently lower. This is for the Williamsport area. So I think Williamsport's going to be in that, coating to maybe 2 or 3 inches by the time it's all said and done. And they are trending down. The snowfall totals are trending down. Here's a compilation of models for the Scranton area. Now, just today, when I looked at this, the GFS and the NAM that you see on the right there, North American model, Global Forecasting Systems model, they were showing anywhere from 10 to 15 inches of snow. You'll see what they're doing now. They're trending down as well. The RPM, which is our future radar model, that's one that we show on TV. That's just put into numbers there. But again, you can see it's on the lower end. And the Euro, you hear us talk about a lot. That's also on the lower end. So it's looking like a more southerly track. And again, even the higher models are coming down as well. Now, the hot spot, Poconos. And this is where I think we're going to see our highest snowfall totals. And more of the models in agreement here that we're going to be looking at the potential for plowable snow for sure. Even in the Scranton area, if we get 2 to 4 inches of snow, that's still a plowable snow. But we could be on that higher end, 4 to 8 over parts of Carbon, Monroe, and Pike counties, which is why we've come out with the updated map showing the southerly track of the storm. And that's showing it's Wyoming Valley over into the Susquehanna Valley, 2 to 4 inches of snow, still in the Poconos, and even extending up into parts of Wayne County. Could be looking at 4 to 8. And then if you look beyond that, you get northwest of the Susquehanna Valley, looking very little, like coating to maybe an inch or two, and I think that's going to be pushing it at that. So again, there's the latest look at your snowfall totals. We talked about why we're seeing those numbers coming down, and that's exactly why. It will create problems. There will be delays, so you're going to want to take your time, be prepared for those cancellations. And again, as we look at that Tuesday morning layout, that's your headlines as to how things are going to shake out here as we move over the next 48 hours. And the other thing, again, I just want to talk one more time about those gusty winds because we may have power outages. So we want to be aware, be weather aware between now and say Wednesday night when those winds really start picking up. So thank you so much for tuning in with us here. We're going to continue to update you through the evening hours on WNEP Channel 16. Be safe and have a great night.